Hi friend, I am going to explain here minimum wages notification of Kerala state already published and it is effective from 1st March 2021. So we can see here how the private employee salary increased. Government of Kerala Labour and Skill Department has revised the variable dearness allowance for employment in shops and commercial establishment and employment in computer software sector. As per the notification, the consumer price index number means cost of living index numbers applicable to employees in employment under the Minimum Wages Act for the month of March 2021 ascertained by the Director General of Economics and Statistics under clause C of the section 2 of this act, and this is the effective from 1st March 2021. See, you can see here the chart of minimum wages, how it's bifurcated and how it's calculated. So you can understand here first column is the grade column. So here is the grade, special grade A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So as per the grade, employee category will be bifurcated and it will be bifurcate or different as per the district wise. So this is the basic general and this is the basic IT. This is the dearness allowance general or dearness allowance for IT. If you will add basic general plus a DA general, then you will get this kind of monthly minimum wages under general category. Or if this is the basic or this is a DA, if you add these two, then you will get the minimum wages under IT category. So this is the calculation, and you have to add the special allowance wherever it's applicable whenever you are going to prepare your CTC breakup. So minimum wages, then special allowance, then you have to add your other components like HRA and all other components whichever you are considering to prepare your CTC breakup. Okay. In this slide, you can see the column district as per the grade wise, and this is the minimum wages general category and IT category. In this slide, same you can see the Punalur district and same minimum wages general category and minimum wages IT category you can consider as per your grade. In this slide, you can see the Pathanamthitta district and as per the grade and as per whatever you are considering in the organization. So you can consider this. So in this slide, you can see that Alappuzha district and you can consider as per the grade and as per the category. So minimum wages general and IT category is there. So in this slide, you can see the Kottayam district and as per the grade, you can consider what category you are coming under general or minimum wages under IT. Here in the you can see the Mundakyam district, so you can consider as per your grade and as per your general category or IT category. So in this slide you can see the district Idukki and Munnar, and you can consider your minimum wages as per grade and minimum wages category general or IT. Or if you have any concern or query, drop your comments in comment section. Here is the Ernakulam district. You can consider as per the grade and as per your category, general or IT. In this slide, Chalakudi district, and you can consider your minimum wages as per grade and as per your category, general or IT. So here is the Thrissur district, and you can consider your minimum wages as per the grade and as per your category, general or IT. And this minimum wage is only applicable for private employee who are working under the shops and establishment organization under the Kerala state. In this slide, you can see the Palakkad district, and you can consider minimum wages as per the grade and category, general or IT category. In this slide, you can see the district Malappuram. You can consider your minimum wages as per the grade and category, general or IT. In this slide, Kozhikode district, and you can consider your minimum wages as per the grade and as per the category of the general and IT. In this slide, you can see the Wayanad and Meppadi district is there. So you can consider your minimum wages as per the grade A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and as per your category, general or IT. So in this slide, you can see the Kannur district. So you have to consider your minimum wages as per the grade and category, general or IT. So one important things I want to just address here. So you have to whenever you are making the CTC breakup, you have to take the minimum wages, plus special allowance plus all other component or of your CTC breakup. So in this slide you can see that Kasargod district, and you can consider your minimum wages as per the grade and category, general and IT category, and after minimum wages you have to add the special allowance as per the applicability here, and then you have to prepare your CTC breakup. According to that, your take home and your CTC breakup CTC will be increased, and I will add the minimum wage notification also for your reference.